How to download and install Doom: The Dark Ages on PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about downloading and installing the Doom: The Dark Ages on PC. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your PC meets the minimum requirements of operating system being Windows 11 or 10, 64-bit with a good processor of AMD Zen 2 or Intel 10 generation of 8 cores and the RAM of 16 GB, graphics card of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 or AMD equivalent, and storage must be 100 GB of free space. Now, how you can purchase and download it? You need to first go to store.steampowered.com, log into your account. Now in the search bar, simply search for Doom: The Dark Ages on Steam. Before it takes you to the official page of the game, you need to first enter your birthday to continue. So simply go ahead and set your birthday and then tap on View Page in the bottom, scroll down and tap on Add to Cart option and then buy it. After purchase, click on Install to download and you can open your Xbox app on your PC, search for Doom: The Dark Ages and click on Install to download game. Or if you use the battle.net client, simply open it, go to the games page, click on buy now or install if you already bought it. So basically you can download the game through Steam, Xbox app or battle.net and the installation should start automatically after the download finishes. So follow the instructions on your screen and once installed you can click on play to start the game. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.